In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create audiobooks using Elevenlabs AI. To get started, open Elevenlabs and look over to the left-hand side of the screen from that menu. Select Audiobooks. This will take you into the audiobook workspace where you can manage the full creation process from upload to final export. Once the page opens, click Create Audiobook. You will now see the Upload section, where you can choose your source document. Elevenlabs supports common file formats like PDF and Docs. So select the file that contains the book or script you want to turn into audio. Before uploading, make sure your text is clean, properly formatted, and organized into chapters. This is important because better formatting usually leads to smoother generation and makes editing much easier later. Next, move to the default voice section. Open the drop-down menu and choose the voice you want to use for your audiobook. If you want more options, click Find More Voices. This gives you access to a broader built-in catalog of realistic AI voices. You can browse through them and narrow your choices by accent, gender, and age, which is especially helpful if you want the narration to match a certain tone or audience. After choosing a voice, turn on Auto Assign Voices. With this enabled, Elevenlabs can automatically detect characters in your project and assign voices that fit them. This can be a great feature for dialogue-heavy content, but keep in mind that it may take a while to process, especially if your document is long. Once everything is ready, click Create Audiobook. The platform will begin processing your project. After the audiobook has been created, open it to review the result. Now click the play button on your chapters to hear how they sound. Elevenlabs generates studio-quality audio directly on the timeline, making it easy to review each section. As you listen, pay close attention to pacing, pronunciation, and overall delivery. If needed, you can insert natural pauses, adjust voice stability, or guide the AI's speaking style to make the narration sound more polished and natural. If the AI mispronounces certain names, custom terms, or made-up words, open the pronunciation dictionary. This lets you teach the AI the correct phonemes so those words are spoken properly throughout the audiobook. Once all of your paragraphs and chapters sound the way you want, export the finished audio. You can save the files individually or export everything as a single MP3 or audio file, depending on how you want to publish it. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.